spent with them, and so it's difficult to be connected. Today was an occasion whereby they didn't have classes, so I thought I should find out from you all. I thought I should be in touch with you all to tell you that every subject, please prepare as per a schedule. You are getting more time. If you see the flip side of the situation, now that is that you have more time. So you all must use that time to your advantage, is how I understand this. Some of your performance was very bad in the preliminaries. So by God's grace, you can use this time, think that you're getting more time to kind of, work on your flaws or your weaknesses. That is how you can. And yes, you can also collect the preliminary papers once I go to school and I message you, and all teachers are coming, then you can collect the papers from them. All papers are aligned with the subject teachers itself this time. Nothing, I mean, it's not very organized the way we are used to having it, because of distancing and everything, because of the fact that we're all working from home. So we don't have access to a lot of things that were otherwise very readily available. So I've been talking. Do you wish to share or say something? You're all keeping well, I hope. Your families, you, everybody. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else that that you wish to share or wish to say? Any of your, please don't be in a state of dilemma, wondering. Obviously, everybody is a little perplexed and confused. Imagine class 10s, they don't have their board examination at all. So you can imagine that it is on the basis of the internals, it is on the basis of the report cards that they already have been given, that their performances have to be gauged, and accordingly the board will decide. So as you can see, internals, they do play a major role in this kind of a setup and in this kind of a situation. So I just hope that nothing like that will happen to the 12th, because it cannot. It cannot. Exams will happen. Now it's just a matter, and it's just a question of time as to when they will happen. So my best wishes with each one of you, and any kind of help or any kind of assistance that you would possibly need, you can share that. You can let us know. We can try and we can see that we are able to help you in this state of affairs. I would love to hear you all talk about things. So if anybody wishes to share anything, please do that. If anything comes to your mind, because times are very very it's very uncertain. Everything has become very very difficult to fathom how things will happen, which way they'll go, what kind of a turn they'll take in the near future, everything. And added to it is the news that keeps following. I mean, you keep hearing of strange things that are happening. We all keep hearing of things which are, which we would otherwise credit as impossible. I'm sure you are also subject to news of people who you know and are very near and dear to you, and you keep hearing about their plight, their difficulties. You yourself could be going through a lot of difficulties. So times are very difficult for all of us. But even in these very very difficult times, all of us will need to, you know hold one another's hand. You all need to be together, and you all need to help one another, and you all need to also understand that, uh, 1 minute, you all also need to understand that there are people who are, who are thinking of you constantly. Your teachers are always thinking of you, and they shall do everything. But the thing is now that you got to take the first step, you got to take the initiative, because as you can see, there's another 12 abcd with them to concentrate on. Obviously, if you will not take the plunge, it will become very difficult for people to be able to help you. So I kind of exhort you to do that. Do not think that the school cannot help you, the school cannot support you. Please do not live under that illusion, because we are all there for you. And it's just that there are certain children who are in touch, who keep writing, sending, and then there are those others who are absolutely out of touch. So what is more worrying is this category of people, of students, who which is out of touch. Now this category of students has to understand that it will not be possible without assistance from the school. It is you've got to be chasing teachers, you've got to be behind your teachers lives to explain you things to. And I was telling one of the other sections, one of the students had called up the other day, and this child said that, ma'am, there is a lot of problem and we are not able to understand this portion and that. So I said, why is there so much of a problem? Why don't you, as a group, why can't you approach teachers? Why can't you tell that you need help in a particular segment or in a particular category? Because if you do that, you can be helped. But then, if you are not going to take the plunge, if you are not going to make the move, then obviously nobody can help. So, students, your board results, they will matter lots. I'm sure that you must think that this is a little preposterous, that the teachers talking in terms of the result before the examination is conducted. But let me tell you that each event corresponds to the other and is a result of the previous event that you like. Your examination and your deliverance will depend on your preparation. Similarly, your result will depend on your deliverance. So it is not as if it's all a chain of events, and you are at the helm, at the beginning of things. So then do not waste this time. Use this constructively to improve on subjects where you have not been able to show. Yes, some of your parents have called me up also. Why I have scheduled this meeting is because there are parents who are anxious about performance. So obviously, but then you should not be in a position to be able to curb this anxiety. How? If you study and if you share with your parents and with your teachers what you're going through, and if you are able to improve on what you are already doing, I'm sure a lot of it will be ironed. So I have just scheduled the meeting to tell you all that I'm with you every inch, every step of the way, and I will do everything. My fellow teachers also, they'll all do everything that is required for you to be able to excel in the coming examination, because examination, dear students, will happen. It is just a matter of time, is what I'd say. And so I exhort you and I extol you to be in regular touch and to improve on the nitty gritties of the situation. Wherever you are not doing well, to do well in those areas. Will there be any reactions from you or your parents in the for that matter? Any concerns either from you or from your parents? None? Are you
No,
missing your classes? Missing classes in school?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see, you started missing them, isn't it? So it is because I was also missing you all. So I thought I would share this on this platform and I would talk to you and make you feel that we are all there and we are all prepared to help and we are all eager to help you, provided that you, you make an effort to seek that assistance. So you can be connected anytime you want. The group is already there. As it is there. Your teacher's details, contact details, everything you have. Be connected and take care of yourselves. If you have anything to say, please go ahead with that. Otherwise, I wind up the session for today. All right, children, there are only 29 participants in the meeting. The rest of the students have not joined. You can let your friends know that everybody is most welcome to use the opportunity to work harder and to excel at whatever you are doing. My best wishes are always with you. If there is anything that has to be shared, I shall do it in the group that we have, and let us see you all doing very well in life. My best wishes to you, my regards to your families back home. Everybody, please take good care of yourselves and be indoors as far as is possible for the time being and build on your immunity because this period is supposed to be very, very critical for all of us.